Welcome back to Vegan Sing. Today we're making pizza, so get excited. Brah! We're using minimal and the simplest ingredients, and you know what they say, simpler the better. So let's get started. Ayo chaliye. Homemade tomato sauce time. We're gonna crush some San Marzano tomatoes and drizzle in some olive oil. That's it, that's the recipe, and it's amazing. So San Marzano tomatoes, it's an Italian product, and it's not that hard to find, but they say that there's a lot of copycats out there, and the San Marzano tomatoes in these cans are not really authentic. But the insights I got is, if it says product of Italy, you're probably good. What differentiates the San Marzano tomatoes is the sweetness that comes out of that tomato. It's not as acidic, it's not as bitter. So try it out. It's not overly expensive, and the taste is great. Drizzling in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This will amplify that San Marzano taste. Last time on Vegan Sing, we made this amazing dough recipe. We'll be using half the dough for today's crust. Before using the dough, let it sit out for 4 hours after taking it out of the refrigerator. This will warm up the dough and it will be easier to work with. Then take a pan, add some olive oil all over the pan, and then work your dough. Keep pressing into it. And what I'm doing here is I'm pressing into the sides so I can create the crust. And then I go inside with the palm of my hand and I press it and I continue to expand it, and that makes the best crust. That's nice and fluffy on the inside and crispy on the outside. Assembly time. Not that there's much to assemble. I'm just gonna spread out that sauce. You can add any toppings that you'd like. I like my pizza simple. I'm just gonna add some basil. We'll add the basil at the end just because I don't want it to burn. And then you're good. Buon appetito. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees and cook for 20 minutes. You'll notice that in my recipe, I'm not using vegan cheese, and that's on purpose. Well, I know pizza is primarily 3 things: bread, sauce, and cheese. But the whole reason you add cheese to your pizza is not 100% about the taste. It's also about the experience, the gooiness, how it melts in your mouth. Sometimes when it burns, it tastes good. Burnt cheese, woo! Now the thing with vegan cheese is it doesn't burn, it's not gooey, and it doesn't melt in your mouth. It might give you that similar taste, but the experience isn't there. Elevate your pizza by sprinkling some Himalayan Salt. This is an amazing ad, trust me. Definitely try this. I am that hungry, but I'll just start off with a slice. That crunch is so good. Add some crunch to your day. Thanks for watching.